Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is for those of you that are looking for part-time work. This job is hiring both in the United States and the United Kingdom. But before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss an upload, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, all the links to all the jobs I discuss are in the YouTube description box below, so you can just click them and go straight to the application page. But with that being said, today's company is Boldly. They are a subscription staffing company. They are looking for an administrative and marketing assistant to work remote from home. So this position is starting out at part-time, and it has the opportunity to become full-time in time, and that is based on performance, whether you will become a full-time employee or stay part-time. But they are looking for someone specifically to coordinate schedules, plan meetings and travel, conduct research on various topics, create PowerPoint presentations, invoice tracking and light bookkeeping, email management, customer supplier support, create Excel spreadsheets, and other administrative responsibilities as needed. So most of this position is going to be non-phone. They are looking for someone who has 7 years experience in a combination of administrative, project, event management, or marketing related roles. Someone who is an all-around team player who is comfortable performing and managing a versatile workload. Someone who can be organized and prioritize work tasks. Someone who has excellent time management skills, great communication skills, and someone who has knowledge about social media platforms. Now, with this position, you will be a W-2 employee. Starting pay is $24 an hour for the United States, and it is 18 pounds. Is that how you say the currency in the United Kingdom? And you get regular pay raises throughout your tenure. Now, they also offer, if you are a full-time employee, they offer medical, dental, and vision insurance, but they offer 401k with employee match and paid time off. Now, some other perks for working for this job is you have flexible work hours. It's 100% work from home, and it says paid onboarding, so you get paid training. All right, I just want to ask if you find any of my job leads helpful, if you would help me out by giving this video a thumbs up like button and also sharing with your friends and family so we can all be working from home, living our healthiest, happiest life. And I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.